Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Coding and Design. So today I'll be teaching you how to design and code the 4th, 5th and the 6th screen, and also we'll be adding score and also publishing. So please don't skip this video and watch till the end because this is the end video of this web quiz creation. Okay, so let's go. So guys, I opened the PLEZMO app and it showed me the display. So let us wait. As you can see here, the PLEZMO app got activated and showed me the display. So now let us go to our quiz. So okay, in the previous video we saw the designing and coding of the first screen, second screen, third screen, sixth screen and seventh and eighth screen. So today I'll be teaching you how to design and code the fourth, fifth and the sixth screen. Okay, in the previous video we did all the coding. So as you can see here, the coding which we did for the second and third screen. Okay guys, so now fourth, fifth and sixth screen. So now let us add the question in this app screen 4. So now we have to add label, as you know, label underscore q4. Okay, so now let us type the text here. So what are the functional units of the kidney called? Kidney called. Now let us test the height and width. Background color as this color, font color as yellow, border color as green. So let's see. So we created the question. Now it's time for us to add the MCQ answers. That is the MCQ part. So now button underscore opt1. If you write op here, wait, I'll show you op1, then it will show you. But please don't write this op1 because it may confuse you. Okay, please try to write in this manner. opt1 means option 1. Okay, so now the options are, okay, first one is neuron 150, and let us increase the font size. And now background color red. No, we already gave the color red. So now this color as this color. Okay, now it's enough. So neurons, duplicate this and write opt2. Click done. Now edit the text here as nephrons. Okay, now keep the button here and again duplicate this and keep as opt. Okay, now keep this as ser. Yeah, ser. Now again duplicate this and keep this as opt4. Okay, now this as tissues. So now we successfully created the options for this app screen. Fourth question, what are the functional units of kidney called? The first option neuron, second option nephron, third answer SCR, fourth answer tissues. Now it's time to give the question for app screen 5. Now label underscore q5. Okay, now add the text here. Dash is called the cell organelle in which the DNA is stored. So I'll repeat the question. See, wait. Now dash is called the cell organelle in which DNA is stored. So now height to be 45, width to be 750, and background color to be blue, font color to be green, border color to be black. So now, as you can see here, we created the question and it's time for us to create the answers. Now button underscore OPTI 1. Now see, the first option is mitochondria. These questions are of class 9, which are the basic questions if you are thorough with the textbook. And not only textbook, materials. Okay. Option 1 mitochondria, duplicate it, and OPTI 2, and this as nucleus. Okay, now second option, again duplicate OPTI 3, this as ribosomes. Now and the fourth option OPTI 4. Now this as RER and SCR. See, these options are sufficient. Okay, so now it's time for us to co-design the sixth screen also. So now the sixth question is inertia depends on dash. Okay, this to be 55, width to be 750, and background color to be red, font color to be blue. As you can see here, I increased the width and this is enough. Okay guys, so you can see this. I think so we can reduce the width 700. It's enough. Now it's time to create the buttons, that is answers. 1, this as impulse, 45, 23. You can give your favorite colors as you want. Yeah, let us increase the font. You can do here also, like, okay. First option impulse, duplicate this option. 2, this as acceleration, width to be increased. This is sufficient. So next option 3, done. And now, yeah, impulse. And now mass, duplicate. 4, this as force. Okay, now successfully we designed the 4th, 5th and the 6th screen. So the introduction page, version starting page, these and these questions. So now how many questions we did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 5 questions. So let us personalize this, because should not give the incorrect coding here. Fine. Okay, 5 questions now. Okay, now again add a label here. I want to add few more points. P1, that's point 1, as correct answer carries wait 2 marks. Now 40, width to be 250, and background color, border color, font color, choose as you want. Okay, I am not forcing you to select these colors only. You can select the colors you want. So now duplicate here and point 2. I am keeping negative marking also, and incorrect answer carries -1 mark. Now increase the width, set this, yeah, so now the first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, seventh and eighth page. So now in the previous video I teach you the coding of the second and third screen. Now we will be doing for these three screens. So now remind that the incorrect answer representation is in app screen 7 and the correct answer is in app screen 8. Okay. Now go to the coding area. So now duplicate this and keep this here. So now this is the first one. So OPT, fourth screen is OPT, options means. Okay, OPT. Now it must go to app screen 7, that represents the incorrect answer. Okay, now to app screen 5, same. Sorry guys. Okay, now same for OPT 3 and OPT 4. OPT 3, 5, yeah, and OPT 4 also. Now for OPT 2, sorry, now for it must go to app screen 8 because it represents the letter C. Okay, so now go to now go to app screen 8 and go to app screen 5. Yeah, now let us do the execute, reading all the instructions. Next, baking soda 2F. Now so I'll show you the execution. Nephron and this one, nucleus. So now we did coding for this screen. So now it's time for us to do this screen. This is OPTI. So OPTI. OPTI. Go to app screen 7 and then go to app screen 6. Duplicate this for 3 OPTI 3 and OPTI 4. Now for OPTI 2, it must be separate, it must go to app screen 8. Okay, now let us do the execution. Now we did coding. So baking soda 2F1, nephrons, nucleus, and it went to this screen. So now we did coding for this and this. So now it's time for this. So inertia depends on the correct answer is button underscore 3, that's the mass. Okay, let's do the coding. This is 3, so 1, it must go to app screen 7 and then it must go to 1 minute. So now add and the screen and save like this. Okay, now so since this is the page before the end, it must go to the last app screen which we created, that is app screen 9. Okay, duplicate for button 2. Now duplicate again. Now it must go. Now for button 3, it must go to app screen 8. Now duplicate it and button underscore 4, app screen 7. Okay, now let's do the execution because we did the coding and designing. Yes. So now it's time for us to personalize this page. Now add pattern. So now, yeah, this is okay. I'll take it. So, and label underscore thq means thank you. Now let us type the end page. Thank you for playing this quiz. We hope that you enjoyed playing this quiz. Okay, so now your score will be displayed whenever displayed below. Now increase this height as 95, width as 780, height to be reduced to a little extent, and now background color to be yellow, font color to be red. Master. Thank you for playing this quiz. We hope here error happened. You enjoyed playing this quiz. Your score will be displayed below. Here we must display the score. Okay. Now let us personalize this again. Save. Yeah. Now this is okay. Now as I mentioned you below in this screen. Okay. Now we have to do now is the score. Okay, now we must create a label representing score. Okay, now sometimes you will get in this manner without text. Then what you must do is to click on this into button, go back once again, click on here and go to this page and right here, and in this manner you will get this. Okay, so now score height 45, 150, and background color this one, this color as this one. Now font size to be increased. Okay, now this is okay. So score create on the label. Okay, now you can do duplication. Score 2. Do not put any thing here. Okay, this one. So now, so as we created here successfully, so now we must do here. So let us go to these. So this is a light complex process. So now whenever this button is this button is clicked, it must reduce 1 mark. Okay, and whenever this button is clicked, it must increment 2 marks as mentioned. Okay, now so button means O1, O3, O4 and O2. So since O2 is the correct answer, so must get increment option, decrement by 1, and it will take some time. Okay, this video may consume much time, so please watch till the end because I am doing much hard work for you guys. Now since it must show us the display, take this, keep it here and go here and see which name label underscore score 2. Okay, so now score 2. Now duplicate this one, keep it here, duplicate this button, keep it here, and as score. Okay, now duplicate this one, keep it here. Now duplicate this, keep this block here, duplicate this, keep this block here, and here duplicate this and keep this here, but since it must show us an increment, so now go to controls, go to variable, and increment by is there now. So now increment by 2. This is over for first screen. This is over, so much more part is left that I will cover in today's video only. So today's video would be lengthy. Okay, and because this includes the creation of score. Okay, now for one we did, for first one we did, and for second one this represents OP. Okay, now so the correct option is OP2. So search for OP2 here. So the OP2 is OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4. So here OP4, here OP3, here OP1, here OP2. Wait, let us search. Where is OP2? It disappeared. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, keep this block here, and now for OP2 we must keep an increment. Okay, so now duplicate this block, keep this block right here, and duplicate this block, keep this block here. Now duplicate this block and keep this block here, and duplication for OP3 and OP4 also. So now OP1 over, OP2 over, OP3 over. So it's time for us to do for OP4. Decrement by 1 and show score on score and score 2. Okay, now for this we did, but we have to do a small one, that is to extend these tags. Okay, now because if we do not extend, we'll get a confusion of where is the button hidden inside, because we did this much of code. Okay, so let us arrange this. So button underscore 1, button 2, button 3 and button 4. This is in a row, and OPT1, OPT3, OPT this and OPT. So arrange this also, OPTI, 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 OPTI. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 like that, and OPT1, OPT3. See here, in this block wait guys, so in this block to be removed for now, and this block to be kept. Okay, so button 01, 03 and 02, this is in a row here, and OPT1, OPT3, OPT4 and OPT2. So we did for these three. Sorry guys, we didn't do for OP1, OP3, OP4 and OP2. Okay, sometimes it happens like this, the labels get detached and again we have to join these. Okay, and so we did for this, and now now it's time for the tags OPT. OPTs. Why I'm grouping here is, as you know, we will get a confusion, but if we do like in this manner, then we will not get a confusion. Okay, now so let's go to the option which see here, OPTs. So the correct answer is OPT2. So for first of all, for OPT2, increment by 2 for OPT2, this one, show score on this one, and OPT2, yeah, this one over. Yeah, now for this decrement only. So here there is no restriction that it must not go to minus marks. Okay, it will go to minus marks also. Okay, -1, -5 like that also. So it depends on the capability of the person or of the child. Okay, duplication for these tags. So now OPT section over. Now keep these tags to side, and it's so now it's time for OPTI. So this is OPTI. So the correct answer is OPT2, OPTI2. For OPTI2, increment by 2. OPTI2 that's increment by 2, and it must show the score value. And now decrement by 1 for remaining OPs. Decrement by 1. So in for OPTI 2 increment, and for remaining it's decrement only. Okay, so OPTI 2 and duplication. So now it's time for this button. So sixth screen, 3 is the correct answer. So 3. So now increment by 2 is 3 button, and so decrement by 1. Duplicate these tags for this, and this, and this tags also duplicate, and it must show this one, must show here, showing here. Okay, now so let's do the execution. So wait, so now it's shown as I did all incorrect only. So something wrong, that's the incorrect happened. So okay guys, a little mistake happened by me, that's we have to keep this block, but no problem. Okay, first we have to create a new variable here representing score. So I'll make sure that this doesn't happen next time. Okay, see, I'm also a student and I'm doing with you only. I'm not being prepared. Okay, I do coding with you. I'm doing these many because we have to fill up these many. So now first of all remove this, keep this. Please don't make this mistake happen by me, because I am saying you the mistake happened by me, and I am apologizing for my mistake, and I want you to do not do this mistake, because I am doing this channel with my studies. Okay, I want the people who are visiting my channel to learn this coding up to some extent. I'm not forcing anybody. Okay, just I'm offering the people who wanted to make create these type of web quiz or websites. Now presently I'm creating a basic one. Still more complex websites are present, which I am not teaching at the present. Okay, now, and also if possible, I am saying if possible, I'll upload video on turbo C. That's the C language coding. I am mentioning here if possible. Okay, please don't think that as guarantee. Okay, this is optional. The C language is optional. Okay, see guys, I explained you all that. Again I have to duplicate this. Duplicate. See now, process is done. We have to go to program. Another program run. Yes guys, so now I added another block here. See, you can get these three blocks from go to controls and go to program. Here you can see this, so drag this to here and keep this. So you will see here variable set score to 0. This means here this one, so I drag this, and as you can see here I created and did. Okay, so now I changed the sentence here representing this my way to score. Okay, for all the tags. Okay, and now this is ready. Okay, so now okay, uh, so here you can see 10. So first watch this video and then start coding. Okay, so now this one, and here representing, first of all representing this, I changed this to score, and all this variable I didn't notice, but I changed these all to representing score only. So okay, now you can see the this coding. Okay, now you saw that. Now let me show negative marking also. Baking soda, and wantedly I am keeping here F1, which is the incorrect answer. Nephron and mitochondria. Impulse. I'll get my score 1. Okay, so we did this one. Okay, so now let us publish this. So if you want to publish, create a web app, then when the web app is ready, access link will be sent to your registered email address. Okay, so now this is done. So in your mail you will receive an email containing the link to your app on your registered email address. Okay, app creation successful, and with this we created this quiz 2. So guys, if you found this video interesting, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.